How to update the Amazon Shopping app. Want the latest features? This guide shows you how you can update the Amazon Shopping app so you can get the latest features and bug fixes. First, you need to go to your device's App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an Apple device, open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, search for Amazon Shopping app. You'll see the app's page with a button that says Update. If there's a new update available, just like this. If the button says Open, it means you have the latest version of the app. Since you don't have it, we'll update the app. Tap on the update button to download and install the new update. The app will be updated in a few seconds. You can now open the app and use the latest features. It is a great way to get the latest features and bug fixes. You now know how to update Amazon Shopping app. Get ready to get the latest features. Like and subscribe for more app tips.